Wizard well. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
This Lick Sonic guy. Oh man, he was pretty. He was something.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Oh, there's a Symmetra.
Was that the best choice for Soldier?
3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective
I did warn you. They probably almost got Telly now.
He's middle.
Okay, my orb. Out of piss.
Alrighty, baby.
Oh, what the? Oh man. That's 2 picks.
Crease half up there. And the fucking...
Down, mama.
Yeah, they definitely have Telly.
You guys just got it.
Yeah, it's in the back.
Are we actually gonna? Guess we'll. I'd rather not solo tank it, so we'll do this.
Well, Lux last round was playing Sombra. I was solo healing, which actually worked good, but...
Going left.
Eva behind. Sims 2.
Yeah, good work, team.
The question is, where is it? Oh, over here.
Hurry up. Swing. Sure. I'll go forward with Genji.
I just might die here, oh god.
Oh, you had to hit that wall.
I'm good, I'm good. Zenya is low.
Sims have. She's kind of sitting right by me.
Oh lord, oh lord, oh.
Spoilers, me and Anna on cart.
And the fair got me. Fair is above you, Orisa. Well, here, Anna, you gotta keep that Orisa up.
Oh lord, what is this Symmetra doing?
Change to kill the fucking fire, you stupid fuck.
Are you talking to me?
What a salty motherfucker.
What the hell did I do?
I don't even know.
Specifically you, dude. Get out of here.
Ryan, watching. Got it. Above.
Oh.
I got back.
Okay, now I'll change to McCree. Oh, he's
How
low.
the fuck are we here? Oh, because we're. I'm not by you, McCree.
Oh
We're on the
jeez,
warp
it's
though.
fine, it's fine, it's fine. They're all dead.
Okay.
Oh, why am I dying? Oh, we gotta get out of that little spot for a second.
I'll roll for next one.
You do?
Nah, dude.
Do we know where the shield gen is? Probably just
Yeah,
behind,
but-
right?
I'll roll for next one. I'll try to get to it and lined up. I got this diva.
There she is.
All the turrets are down.
Oh my goodness. Jesus. Yeah, that shield generator, I guess, needs to go. I don't know. I will take care of it, but we gotta go. Oh, that girl's solo, but Diva Matrix. Oh my
Dude.
goodness.
Literally just.
I literally hate these spots, these little like corners.
Alright, time to turn on the music. Turn off the music. What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't think I heard a voice line for that. I don't remember hearing a voice line for that that ult. I just got ulted.
Got everyone? Still missing people? Still
The
missing
Reaper's going up top,
people. Ready?
so I'm guessing he's gonna get ready to ult.
We could go up top. We can go left here and go up top.
He's running away. He's low.
Run. Diva behind you guys.
Oh jeez. Man, that's
No
symmetric.
juice. Try to keep you alive.
Oh jeez, there's a healer down. Nice.
I tried, man.
No juice. I'm staying on.
The shield gems is still up. Is that what the problem is?
Oh jeez, I got one. That's it. Oh, we got pretty far.
Your safety is my primary concern.
See how good looks this.
Complete combat routine.
Actually, you know this is a bad idea.
Attackers in
What's a bad idea?
30 seconds.
Me playing Zen.
Oh, yeah, okay. I see.
Why you do this?
Because it's gonna take me longer to walk back than actually just kill myself.
Come here.
For optimal chance of survival, stay in range of my barriers.
I usually play top left, like up there, but I guess it's different here.
5, 4, 3,
Because we just let them go to the choke, get through the choke easy. And I have so many openings where they can come from.
end of
Yeah.
We can rotate up there real quick.
Oh, we'd have to do it right now, but might be a bit late.
Right, right.
Oh, triple tank?
I got Sim on me. And both healers are down. Be careful.
Yep, that's totally gone.
Jesus, like,
Guess I'm being the mercy player for this time, even though this is not good for Anna.
analyze previous combat performance.
well, I don't know.
The
He's
fuck
not.
are you
He's not in
doing?
voice chat. Not in voice chat, so
I know.
go. You'd have to
This
like.
is
I don't even know if he
probably
responds.
tilted from last game. Oh, he didn't
for
respond.
sure. I don't know why he played Sombra, but yeah.
I don't know. Our summer was fine. I just muted everybody. Oh, they got shield gen.
Okay, I'm gonna wait on this guy.
I need to get some more P. I gotta back off. I have no health.
He's so low. Jesus, I headshot her and she didn't die. Wow.
I don't know if we need stronger heals or more DPS, but someone switch something.
I don't know, man. Like, maybe
Being-
more DPS.
I'm being pressured. Dude, it's not even funny. Like, and I'm staying with you
Yeah.
guys. Like, I'm up to fucking 15,000 fucking healing, and I literally started this round at 9k.
Damn, I was at 4 HP for the longest time. I guess both our healers were down.
I was still on my way back. I got the shit spawn.
Wait, did they, like, revert some changes to Reaper or something?
They didn't revert anything, but he got a big buff.
I know I got buffed, but, like, the shift seems a bit smaller still, or slower.
They had a small
from
delay,
last-
so it's not like you're fucking getting insane healing. Oh, the insane reload time. Coming, Winston. I'm out of piss in 3, 2, 1.
Like, both tanks are behind us, both, like, just destroying us right now.
Yeah, and I'm up there with Winston trying to hold the point. TP
Oh,
is
man.
right by our fucking spawn.
Oh, wow. That sucks.
Just destroy
Maybe it's not bad.
If you up, just destroy.
Oh, we're about to walk it in, dudes. Pay attention to the cart, please.
You guys on me.
Throwing orb. Yeah, no, I'm right there.
That was hella close.
You guys are
Try not to
taking
waste your ult
way
all
too
at once when
much
you get them.
fucking. God damn.
They're just
I don't
going
know how
straight
much
through
you
the
want
shield. I
fucking
can't really do
help
much.
you guys. Yeah. I know, you guys
Behind
are
us,
doing
behind
so
us.
much fucking damage.
Behind us. Healing.
She's rushing.
Oh man, I needed like, I had ult there.
I'm just gonna lose anyway.
Jeez, get on it.
I still
Kelly's gonna definitely be
I
behind
tried,
us.
man. I don't know.
Oh man.
Fucking suck,
Like, apparently we just could not kill shit, I guess. I don't.
Yeah, no, the tanks were just walking through my shield and murdering
Yeah,
us
that's
with like
always the
no,
problem.
nothing was killing them.
I don't know about healing, but I mean, I did 19. Ugh.
Yeah, no, I mean you were doing your best to keep me alive. It's just like the two of us together isn't enough to take on two tanks easily.